Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly duplicate an item in 1Password. Now, you want to go ahead and either scroll down on the home page and find the vault that contains the item that you wish to duplicate. Let's say I want to use this card option here, click on it, and so I can find the item. And that could be password, it could be documents, it could be whatever it is that you want to duplicate. And so I'm going to click on this, and here you can see that it's selected. And now if I want to duplicate this item, click the three dots on the upper right, and here is duplicate. I click on it, and now I can choose whichever vault I want to store this. So let's say I want to store this one on the private. I can go ahead and I can click on private, and so you can see that I duplicate the item and it's now stored on the private as well. So let's go to my private vault, and as you can see, it is now stored there. So if I don't want to move it and I want to keep it in private, and I also want to fill it out manually, I can always duplicate it and save it into a different vault that I wish to. And that's it.